The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. I heard it go with apple pie. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. I heard it go good with apple pie. Then the meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. Now I'm gonna talk about it. I'm putting that meat on the table. Now I'm gonna own it in. I'm owning up when I'm talking about it with the meat on the table though. Some other people just coming by, they running just through my door. They said that meat is good for you, and it is good for me. Some people's over here right now when they just sling the meat. That meat over here, they say today is good with thighs and fries. Other people saying, I'd like to know, do it go with apple pie? Send the meat on the table when I throw in the now. Oh, now. The meat on the table when we get on down. Get down. The meat is on the table and you know what I mean. Ooh wee. The meat on the table and you say, ooh wee. Ooh wee. The meat is on the table with them thighs and fries. Still over here and you wonder why. People talk about you want to sigh. Sigh over here and you want that cry. People's over here, they doing it. Still over here but I'm owning it. Owning up and I'm owning down. Still over here when I'm in your town. Girls over there, they looking up. Also looking down. Trying to see that meat on the table when they going around. If you said that you like the meat, do you got that thighs and fries? I'm over here, I'm doing this, and you wonder with your eye. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Heard it go good with apple pie. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. I heard it go with apple pie. Said I'm over here just looking up and you just look at me. I'm looking at you here today. I'm doing it with a beat. This beat over here, you looking up and you looking at that me. Some other people looking down and they gonna say ooh wee. But when I'm looking at you, girl, I'm looking at them thighs. Yes, I'm over here today. I want to go and why. Winding down you every day, cause I like what I see. You got them thighs and fries over there that's just next to me. Say I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I'm just doing me. Say yes, I'm over here today when I put it on the beat. I put it on that beat today, cause I'm just standing now. Got the meat on the table with the thighs and fries. Everybody leave, get on down. Got the meat on the table with the thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. Send the meat on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat on the table with the thighs and fries. I know go with that apple pie. The meat on the table with them thighs and fries. The meat on the table with the apple pie. But make sure you don't forget the fries. All right.